Something smells really good.
I'm making some soup.
Wow, you're cooking today?
Yes, I wanted to surprise you.
That's sweet. Can I taste it?
Sure, go ahead. Careful, it's hot.
Okay. Wow, it's really salty.
Really? That can't be right.
Yeah, super salty, like ocean water.
Ocean water? That bad?
I think a fish would feel at home in this soup.
Oh no, let me taste it. Ooh, wow, you're right.
I told you, my tongue is not lying.
But I didn't add salt. I only added sugar.
Sugar? In soup?
Just a little, to balance the taste.
Did you mix it up?
No, I used the sugar jar.
The blue one, right?
No, the red one is sugar.
Wait, are you sure?
Yes, the blue jar is salt, the red jar is sugar.
Oh no.
What?
I think I remembered it wrong.
You filled the jars last night,
Yes, very late last night.
so you switched them?
Maybe I was half asleep.
That explains a lot.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay, sweetheart. No kitchen disasters today.
Are you sure? This feels like a big one.
Relax, we can fix it.
Can we really fix soup like this?
Trust my cooking skills.
That sounds dangerous.
Hey, I once saved burnt rice.
You mean you ordered pizza?
Details don't matter.
Okay, kitchen boss, what should we do?
First, add more water.
How much more?
A lot, like a lake.
The pot is already huge.
Then we add more vegetables.
Which ones?
Everything we have. Carrots, potatoes, onions.
Should I add broccoli too?
Why not? Let's invite all vegetables.
This soup is becoming a party.
Exactly, a vegetable party.
What about the meat?
Add more meat too. Salt likes company.
That doesn't sound scientific.
Cooking is about feelings, not science.
That explains your methods.
Hey, don't judge. Stir slowly.
Like this?
Yes, pretend you're very calm.
I'm stirring with love.
Good. Love reduces salt.
I really hope so.
Okay, let it cook for 10 minutes.
10 minutes feels long.
Patience. Good soup needs time.
While we wait,
Yes,
I still feel bad about the jars.
it's fine. Next time, we'll label them.
Big labels.
Huge labels.
With pictures.
Salt crying, sugar smiling.
Perfect.
Okay, time's up.
You first.
Why me?
You're the brave one.
Okay.
Don't scare me.
It's better.
Just better?
Much better. Not salty anymore.
Let me try. Wow!
See?
It actually tastes good now.
Told you. Soup magic.
I'm impressed.
Say it louder.
You are the kitchen boss.
I knew it.
But we made way too much soup.
Looks like we'll drink soup all day.
Breakfast soup.
Lunch soup.
Dinner soup.
Midnight soup.
I might turn into soup.
Then I'll still love you.
Even if I'm salty?
Especially then.
Smells better already.
Taste it one more time.
Still good.
Great. The soup is saved.
And our relationship too.
Always.
Next time, I'll cook.
Deal. But I'll hide the salt.
Smart choice.